Today we're going to discuss the cost of living here in Jamaica as a couple. Because who comes here and stays alone? I mean, this is Jamaica, paradise city, like, or country, or...
It's pretty much expensive.
It's pretty expensive. They couldn't hear that. They couldn't hear that at all. Could y'all hear that? Let me know. Comment below if you heard that.
Well, can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside. But baby, you hardly even notice when I try to show you. Song is meant to keep you doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep.
Hey, today we're talking about the cost of living in Jamaica as a couple.
You're gonna stay tuned till the end because we have some very important stuff to share.
You heard what she said, and if I gotta listen, you gotta listen. A lot of people are asking, how much does it cost to live there? Well, I'm gonna tell you just like this. You know, it's cheap depending on how you want to live. If you live like a tourist, it's one thing, but if you got a Jamaican gal that can help you shop and save money, then
So it do depends on the type of stuff you eat, vegetarian or non-vegetarian.
yeah, everything depends on the type of person you are in general. How much you travel, how much you leave your lights on, how much television you watch, how much you eat for some of them bigger, larger. I'm not body shaming. I'm just saying. Am I body shaming? Does that count?
Yeah.
It counts. I'm sorry. Let's start off with groceries. Groceries, what? Talk to me.
Food kind. Rice, flour, sugar, those stuff. Groceries. Not wrong food. Groceries. And it's just the everyday thing, just the things you eat every single day. On the norm. We eat rice here every single day in Jamaica.
Every day.
Every day. It's so common.
Every day.
Say it again.
Every day.
Yeah, we hardly eat flour here.
I'm trying to tell you. So yeah, like groceries can be cheap or they can be expensive. Like if you're a foreigner, if you're from America like me and you want to live a Western lifestyle, Western diet, you're gonna spend a lot of money. I said Western like we're in the Eastern. If you want that American lifestyle, that American diet, then you're gonna spend some money. But if you want to live more local, I've gotten away with what, about $30,000 a month for the both of us, and she doesn't eat a lot. You see that arm? She doesn't eat a lot, but she eat a lot. I don't care what she says. But I'm just saying. But yeah, so it's all about that. It's all about planning. It's all about versatility, and it's all about discipline. If you want to spend a lot of money in restaurants, then go for it.
Yeah, you gotta eat where your pocket can reach. Budget yourself.
I like that phrase. I'm still in that too. Eat what your pockets can reach. That mean a lot to my friends that go to strip clubs. Like, yeah, she cute, bro, but eat what your pockets can reach.
Toiletries. It doesn't make sense you go to the supermarket and you take up 3 tussils because by the end of a week it will be all out. You're like, damn, did I use this much tussil?
Mm-hmm.
Just buy a case.
Be in the bathroom, baby, you break. What? We ain't got none?
We ran out.
Horrible feeling.
So yeah, it's better we buy a case of tussil, right? Instead of 3. Even though it's cheaper. Well, it's cheaper to buy 3 because it's like $100 and odd. But to buy an old case that can serve for a month or more depends on your stomach. Yeah.
Now, I know it seems cheaper at first to go with the small rolls, but check this out, brothers. This is for the fellas. I don't know if the ladies are listening, but you know what's not inexpensive is having streaks in your underwear. So I would invest in extra toilet paper and maybe some baby wipes. That's an option. We're gonna throw that in an option. Boom, bonus.
Baby wipes. I disagree. For the females though. Because we are not supposed to use scented tissue, scented soap, scented wipes for a vagina. Ain't healthy, girl.
Okay, alright. Okay, I'm sorry, no baby wipes on the yoni. They got grown people wipes? They got adult wipes?
They do sell non-scented wipes. They do.
Okay.
That's it. Thumbs up.
That's not in this budget though. That's not in this, it's gonna be in another budget. Now that I know I gotta start buying it, I'm gonna adjust the next budget. A non-scented wipes.
Yeah.
Well, I don't got a vagina. I can still use the scented wipes, right?
No, you just stand there and pee and then you shake it.
Yeah, no, but
you just shake it off.
Shake it off. Ain't that a song? Shake it off. What do we got? Utilities. Say it again. I like how you say it better.
Utility bills.
Utility bills. Now she said I can't do it. What we pay? can't. We pay about 85, 9,000. We pay about 9,000, right? Somewhere around there.
For lighting.
Light, water, and the gas. Well, the gas you don't gotta fill up every month though. So I round that up.
Depends. The gas kind of depends on how much you cook and what you cook.
True. That's why we have wood fire also. That way that if it's something gonna take a long time, you gotta put that outside, baby. Get you some wood. And apparently do not use Rasta's what is that kind of wood? Pimento wood. The red stuff here in Jamaica, he takes that very personal because that wood is apparently serious and sacred and is not used for cooking pots. It's used for flavoring food.
Oh, pimento.
I've been cursed out in a Rastafarian way a few times for this. But hey, I just see wood and I need to cook.
Bomb clock war. Ramp with me.
For the utility bills. Save light, save energy, whichever way you want to put it. If you're not using, say for instance, a charger, plug it up. Plug it saves current, it saves your money. The more energy you use, the bills go up, and it also depends on the type bulbs you use. Like if you can't afford to buy energy saving bulbs, you can buy the cheap bulbs but the lower watts, not 100 watts, because that's gonna bring up your light bill. You understand? So little stuff like that do matters.
It does.
Little things matter.
This is America. Don't get you slipping now.
It do little things matter. Them light bulbs important. I had this same light bulb. I've been here for 3 months and I ain't had to change this light bulb. And when I was at home going to Dollar Tree, I had to change light bulb every single month because they were cheap light bulbs. That's just be honest about it. Next is transportation.
Yes, transportation.
I like how she say everything.
Transportation.
Yup, say it again one more time for me.
Transportation.
How much do you spend a month? I think you travel less than me because you live in Port Antonio and I gotta come to Port Antonio. So I spend about 3,000-4,000 a month.
I spend less. Probably 2,500 or 3 a month.
Hey, it's okay. I'm just going places, baby. This is YouTube. This should fall under my YouTube budget too, because everywhere I go I record. And matter of fact, I met her. So if I start a business, I met her for YouTube and we started doing the YouTube demonstration. So every date should count as a business expense anyway. And that should be separating my taxes. I'm saying this now so that, Uncle Sam don't come and Wesley Snipes me later when this channel kind of kicks off. That her hair is a business expense because it's for the channel.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Food. Well, if you want some Jamaican food, it's gonna be pretty cheap. Rice and peas that is so common here in a Jamaican restaurant. You can get rice and peas, fried chicken, and vegetable for $550. You can get a pork food for like $700. Curry goat.
I can't believe she said pork in front of me. No, she did not say pork. Listen to me. Y'all need to stop that.
Pork.
You leave that pork. You look. You
pork.
You pay that pig. No, never mind.
Prices are not really bad at a restaurant. It just depends on what you eat and how much do you eat.
True. I'm not gonna lie. I don't pay $500 at restaurants just because I don't know what the good Jamaican food. I go to the local where mama stand out here and sell jerk chicken back and saltfish fritters. Not saltfish apparently. They let me know you don't use T. It's saltfish. SAAL fish. So saltfish fritters and whatnot. I pay about $350 to $400 a meal sometimes. And why every restaurant got the same thing? Fried chicken, baked chicken, cow foot. Like that's everywhere. I'm not complaining. I'm sorry, Jamaica. I love y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all need some burgers, baby.
Cheeseburgers,
Yes.
fish burgers, shrimp burgers.
Whoa, time out.
You
Fish
name
burger.
it.
Well, you know what? You wrong. Hey, Bar Louie. Shout out to Bar Louie. One of my favorite restaurants in Chicago. Has this salmon burger that if you ain't tried it, I don't know what's wrong with you. You right there in Chicago, and I should be telling you this from Jamaica. It's weird, but we digress. Where we at? Back to I spend about $3,000 to $4,000 a month at restaurants. That's pretty good. That's more than her still though.
More than what I eat.
She eat about 1,100. No, yeah, she eat about 1,100. That's because she is the Jamaican cook, and I have to go buy the Jamaican food. Don't judge me. Why you judging me? Like I'm just irresponsible with my fun. I'm a little irresponsible. I could cook, but still fun. I don't do nothing for fun really. Like everything I do is for YouTube, and she is like entertainment.
Well, correction. If you do something for fun, even if it's for YouTube, you got to be loving it.
Yeah, but that count as work, baby. That's work.
It is work.
Yes. That don't count as this. So just so we know, if I say I'm working and you like, you with the guys, yeah, but I'm working. It's for YouTube. It's still work.
But you also have to love it though.
I do gotta love it. You're right. You're right.
There is nothing funnier in Jamaica to do.
Shit.
Port Antonio, to be precise.
Maybe for a Jamaican is born. That's because you here though. But everybody that's not from here, this place is. I'm telling you, this place is like the Willy Wonka chocolate factory of half-naked women. Women don't dress it. You know I'm telling the truth. First time I met you, your whole stomach was out. I seen every tattoo the next day. Like, y'all don't dress it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Y'all beautiful. Look, let it shine, baby. Let your soul glow. I'm just saying.
Black love. It do matter.
What she say? Oh, look at her. I'm just saying though. So you don't gotta spend money to have fun. It's all about your perception of fun. My fun is being next to beautiful women.
Yeah, we forgot to add in rent, and I don't know how we did that, but rent is like 30 to 35,000 Jamaican for me, which is about 200 to 250 a month. So yeah, it's totally doable.
Total is about 100,000 to 101,000 Jamaican every month. Thank you guys for watching.
So like, come here. Like, comment. So you're gonna like. Stop.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So you're gonna like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next week.
Baby, bring me some tissue.